Hey, fifth grade. So we're continuing with modern music. So last week we kind of talked about the music that was between the wars. This music was a return to something a little bit older sounding, a little bit more stable. There was so much chaos going in the world at that point that this simple, neat, neoclassical music, very fancy word, was what composers went to. Well, then things got weird. So, as you heard a little bit in that Stravinsky, things start to get a little bit extreme. Modern music starts to really take a different twist. And the music doesn't really sound like music to our ears much anymore. We start to really push the limits of what is music. Does it have to sound good according to what some people think? So, this modern music, we're going to talk about the atonal stuff and what I like to call the weird stuff. So it's kind of full circle. We heard all the way back to the beginning with really old music. It doesn't sound like what we listen to. Then it starts to sound a little bit closer to what we listen to. Oh, now it sounds really close. Okay, that's what I think of when I think, classical music. And then we get to modern music and the cycle starts over. Things get weird again. Don't worry, things come back to normal. Things get a little bit more cool, a little bit more hip later. But for this week, enjoy the weird stuff.